Welcome to the Scm Morbidelli X200, a high-performance CNC machining center designed to turn raw sheets of material into precision cut parts with incredible speed and accuracy. The process begins by loading a sheet of material onto the machine's work table. Once the sheet is in position, the vacuum hold-down system secures it firmly to prevent any movement during machining. Next, the operator loads the programmed job into the control system. The machine automatically verifies the cutting path and prepares the necessary tooling for the operation. As the cycle starts, the Morbidelli X200 selects the correct drill bits, router tools, and cutting heads from its automatic tool changer. With every movement controlled by advanced CNC technology, the machine begins drilling holes, cutting profiles, creating grooves, and machining complex shapes with exceptional precision. Throughout the process, powerful motors and high-speed spindles maintain consistent cutting performance, while the dust collection system continuously removes chips and debris to keep the work area clean and efficient. The machine can perform multiple operations in a single setup, reducing production time and increasing accuracy. Every cut is repeated exactly as programmed, helping eliminate human error and ensuring consistent quality from the first part to the last. Once machining is complete, the finished components are ready for labeling, assembly, or packaging. The result is a faster workflow, improved productivity, and professional quality parts produced with precision every time. That's the Scm Morbidelli X200, combining automation, accuracy, and efficiency.